Control program confirmed.
Challenger, go at throttle up.
Challenger, go at throttle up.
Uh-oh.
2,900 feet per second, altitude 9 nautical miles, downrange distance 7 nautical miles.
RSO reports vehicle exploded.
On January 28, 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger exploded and broke apart in the sky 73 seconds after takeoff, killing all 7 crew members. As family and friends watched live and many followed along on television, the shuttle reached 46,000 feet, then tragedy struck. The temperature dropped to around 25 degrees at Kennedy Space Center over the night before the launch, and it is believed that the low temperature caused the failure of the primary and secondary O-rings in the right Space Shuttle's solid rocket booster. During the launch, a black puff of smoke can be seen leaking out of the booster, and few seconds later, fire is shooting out of the hole in the side of the booster. With an out-of-control fire within the booster, it's only a matter of time before the 500,000 gallons of liquid hydrogen and oxygen inside the storage tank ignites in a massive fireball. At Mach 1.92, the rotation of the solid rocket booster allowed aerodynamic forces to tear apart the orbiter. The mission was significant because of the arrival of Halley's Comet, which the Challenger was set to deploy a commercial communications satellite to study the comet. The mission also was set to bring the first civilian teacher into space as part of the Teacher in Space program. Christa McAuliffe, a social studies teacher at Concord High School in Concord, New Hampshire, was selected out of 11,000 applicants to the program. After the disaster, the crew compartment was recovered from the ocean floor after a 3-month search and rescue operation, along with other debris. It is believed that several crew members may have survived the initial breakup of the shuttle, but the impact of the orbiter at terminal velocity with the ocean was too violent to be survivable. Test data since 1977 had demonstrated a potentially catastrophic flaw in the SRB's O-rings, but neither NASA or SRB manufacturer Morton Thiokol had addressed the defect. NASA managers also disregarded engineers' warnings about the dangers of launching in such low temperatures, but those concerns were not reported to superiors. After the Challenger's destruction, a new orbiter was constructed, and subsequent missions were launched with redesigned SRBs, but unfortunately, the 2003 Space Shuttle Columbia disintegrated upon re-entry, showing NASA failed to learn many, if the lessons from the Challenger disaster.
No one has done more for history than History in Minutes Daily.